Welcome to Severe Weather Sunday. We don't do these very often. We usually do Myth Mondays, but I want to start getting back into doing these weekly. Our Severe Weather Sunday today is kind of about what our Flashback Friday was, except this time we're going into more detail about what is a microburst. Now, this is what a wet microburst looks like, and the way they form is there's two different types of microbursts. There's a dry microburst and a wet one. For dry microbursts, air below a shower or thunderstorm is very dry. The rain then evaporates into dry air and cooling it. Heavier cooled air will plunge downward, but the only sign is that there might be some dust kicked up by wind. For wet ones, dry air will enter a thunderstorm. Rain will evaporate, cooling the dry air. The cooled, heavier air will plunge down, and heavy rain often hides the microburst. These are very commonly confused with tornadoes, weaker ones, and straight line winds. Now, if you have a picture, it's easier to say, hey, look, it's microburst, not a tornado. But sometimes the National Weather Service, if they don't know and get a report like this, they could sometimes issue certain warnings that weren't necessary. Please consider subscribing because we're going to keep doing these. We'll do Myth Monday, Tips Tuesday, Severe Weather Sunday, Flashback Friday, as well as our weekly videos and some severe weather coverage.